there, everybody. Jack Barnwell here in Naples, Florida at the Naples Botanical Gardens for an exciting edition of Garden Walks with Jack. The Naples Botanical Gardens have invited us to come in and do several days of filming to capture the incredible beauty that's going on here in the Botanical Gardens. Now, at this time, the gardens are closed due to the COVID-19 pandemic that is unfortunately racing all around the globe. But the gardens and ourselves felt that it was really, really important to share this beauty with you all, to give you a break from all of that, madness, and dive into some absolute beauty and love that's happening here in Naples, Florida. There's so much to see and so much to capture here in the Botanical Gardens, so we've divided it into 3 episodes. The first episode, we dive into what's known as Catherine's Garden and the whole entry, cathedral, the children's garden, and the Brazilian gardens. And those are all incredible spaces. The second episode, we dive into the Asian gardens, Florida gardens, and the Caribbean. And then finally, in our third episode, we'll be going through the natural preserve, the upland and wetland areas with my very good friend, Eric Fote. He's going to show us this incredible, big, huge birding tower, and we look out over this incredible, beautiful natural area. Included in that third episode is going to be the propagation facility and kind of behind the scenes look at what makes the Botanical Gardens here operate. And then we're going to talk about future plans for the Botanical Gardens and where they're going next. It's really, really been an exciting few days of filming. We still have some more filming to do, and we have quite a bit of editing to do because we have taken a lot of footage and just really spent some incredible time in these gardens, and we're very thankful to the Naples Botanical Gardens and all the gardening staff here for their time and support, because this is going to be a real treat for all of you. Now, I'm here at the Orchid Garden because we thought while we're getting all that editing done, we'll give you a little taste of what's to come and give you a tour through the Orchid Gardens here so you can enjoy that. Stay tuned, because real soon we'll have those 3 episodes of the incredible Naples Botanical Gardens for your garden walks with Jack. Cheers. So amazing to be surrounded by this huge bank of white Phalaenopsis orchids just surrounding this little bench setting here. And believe it or not, when you are surrounded by thousands of orchids, they are scented enough that this whole entire space smells just incredible right now. These Phalaenopsis are so beautiful, incredible. gardens here do have quite a dedicated following of members that are missing their gardens and coming through on a weekly basis to just walk and meander through and see all of this. So these videos are very much so for them. Thank you very much for your support of this incredible institution, and for all of you who just simply enjoy gorgeous gardens. Enjoy.